In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your website from Google Adsense. Whether you're moving in a different direction with your online presence, no longer need ads on your site, or just want to clean up your account. Removing a site from Google Adsense is a straightforward process. Stick around as I'll walk you through each step to ensure you can do this quickly, easily, and without any confusion. To get started, head over to Google AdSense by typing the URL adsense.google.com into your browser and navigate to the home page. If you're not already signed into your account, you'll need to do that first. Simply click on Sign in the upper right corner of the page. This will prompt you to enter your Google account details. Make sure you're signing into the account that is linked to the site you want to remove. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the AdSense home screen. From here, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find a menu. Look for the section labeled Sites and click on it. The site section is important because it's where all the websites linked to your AdSense account are listed and managed. Clicking on this option will bring up a list of all the sites currently associated with your account. Now, locate the specific site you want to remove. Review your list carefully and select the one you wish to delete from AdSense. If you manage multiple sites, double check that you're choosing the correct one, as this action will permanently detach the site from your account. Once you've selected the correct site, find and click on the Delete button. This button is usually clearly visible, but if you have trouble locating it, check nearby menus or icons that might include the word Delete. Clicking Delete will remove the site from your AdSense account. Before finalizing this action, remember that removing a site means ads will no longer be served there. Make sure you're certain about your decision. Because once a site is deleted, you'll have to go through the process of adding it again if you change your mind later. And there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you've successfully removed a website from your Google AdSense account. This process helps you manage your digital assets more efficiently, whether you're streamlining your sites or scaling down your online presence. You can revisit these steps anytime you need to make similar changes to your AdSense account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy digital guides and tips to help you manage your online account effectively.